Welcome to Helperow. To get started, go to left-hand menu, click Request a Service. This is where you create your help order in just few simple steps. First, select the type of service you need, such as painting, cleaning, electrical work, or handyman services. Next, describe your request in details. The more information you provide, the better your results. Include the details like the number of rooms, wall sizes, square footage, materials only, or any special requirements. You can also add an estimation, duration, and preferred time to help helpers plan accordingly. Now enter your service location. Providing an accurate address helps match you with nearby helpers and improve budget estimation. Next, choose how you like to pay. If you select Pay by Card, your payment is securely held until the job is completed, giving you full protection. If you choose Pay in Cash, you will pay the helper directly after the job is done. Please note that cash payments are not protected by the Helperow. Then decide whether materials are included or if you only need labor. This helps define the scope of your project. You can also set preferences such as requiring license or insured helpers. Your privacy is important. Your personal information is only shared when you approve the specific helper. We protect your personal identifiable information and do not share your contact or address details with the service providers unless you explicitly consent. Your information is only shared with the specific provider you select and approve to perform requested service. Now set your desired budget. You can enter a total budget or break it down into parts. Let's get your budget estimation. You can use our AI-powered budget estimation tool. It analyzes market trends, past data, and your project details to give you the helpful starting point. Please note that this estimate is not final, quote, and may vary based on real conditions. Let's type your budget. To improve your request, upload up to 5 photos so helper can better understand the work needed. Once everything is ready, you can save your order, save it as template for future use, or publish it immediately. Once your order is published, it is shared with our network of trusted helpers. Now your order is in Helperow Marketplace. Helpers will review your request and express their interest in your job. You can then select the helper that best fits your need, communicate directly within the platform, and confidently move forward with your project. With Helperow, you are just one step closer getting your job done efficiently, transparently, and on your terms. Helperow. Set your budget, choose your helper, pay only when the job is done.